who should be leading the AI adoption, implementation, and strategy within an organization? Let's talk about mid-market. We're talking, mid-market, large business. Who should be leading within that team? And
So
why?
it depends on your vertical. If you're more in the technology, robotics space, I see that either a chief technology officer or maybe even a dedicated chief AI officer role takes the lead for AI. And while that role might be temporary, or these tasks might be temporarily added to another C-suite role, they're really, really important because somebody at a very high level of the company, reporting to a CEO or to a president of a unit, needs to hold all the information together. Not for themselves, but to have the bird's eye view over what is happening in our company. How are we enabling people? How are we bringing them along? How does AI align with our business strategy and support the strategy?
Yeah.
How do we make decisions about what vendors we might choose or we might use AI from? And then overall stay connected to what is happening in the technology industry, but also in our individual industry. So we can put these two in context. A little more personalization if you're on the retail side. For example, we've been doing asset management, asset maintenance for a long time in manufacturing, but certainly that's not all, right? Supply chain, there's a lot of AI being added as well. So keeping an eye on what is happening in our business, in our industry, in a central role is absolutely key. Now, not every business has a chief technology officer. So if you have somebody in charge of your IT landscape, could be a chief information officer, maybe a VP of IT that reports to the president, that can be another excellent role, more from a technical point of view. But I think what is absolutely critical is having a dual understanding, one of what is the technology angle, what is happening there, what can technology even do, but being very, very close to the business to understand what do we even do here? What does somebody in marketing need? What does somebody in sales need or in product development? And how can technology help them accelerate and improve what they're doing? So just tech isn't enough, but you need to have that duality and bring that together.